Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with Sale-A-Bration products. So we have the Dandy Designs Designer Series paper. This you can earn with a $100 purchase. I have it in two different packs because this is a 48 sheet pack of paper. So I cut up one sheet of each pattern down to 4x6, and I separated them with the blues and greens in one pack and the pinkish and purples in another pack, okay? But they're all one pack. They come 12x12. Then we're also going to be using the Beautifully Happy Sale-A-Bration stamp set. This is a photopolymer set with 17 stamps, and it's a two-step stamping stamp set. This you can earn free with a $100 purchase before tax and shipping as well. So you have a lot of options to choose from Sale-A-Bration. These are just two of them. But let's go ahead and get started on our project. We have some soft succulent here. This is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're burnishing that with our bone folder. We also have some scrap for punching. We have a 5 1/4 by 4 fresh freesia. And this is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8 of the Designer Series paper. We also have a 3/4 inch that we're going to be cutting down to 3.5 inches. We have some scrap basic white for stamping. Some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4 for the inside. And then we have some that is 5 1/4 by 4, but this is just for stamping. We're going to cut that down. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on the inside of our card. And for the inside, we're going to do a little bit of stamping. So I'm going to stamp our inside greeting of "For a Very Happy Birthday." Okay, what I'm going to do first is make sure where I want to put this on here. And let's see. I'm going to stamp this like in the, I'm just stamping off because I haven't used this stamp yet. I want to make sure it stamps well. We're going to stamp this a little down, and I don't think that's straight. Oh, no. But that's okay. I'm going to make it work. Then we have a little B here. We're going to put us a little B right there in the corner. And then we're going to take some of the, what is this? Pale papaya. Let's close this up real quick. And we're going to just, not pale papaya. Oh my goodness. Wrong color. Soft succulent. And we're going to get the little dottage that comes in there. And we're just going to stamp some of that on our card here on the inside. Okay, so that's all we wanted for that. And then we're just going to glue these pieces together and put them on the inside of our card. So let's go ahead and put some glue down here at the bottom. Get this glued on. I'm trying to figure out which side I really wanted to use. I think I like the polka dots. Okay, we're going to have that there like this. Get our scissors, our little paper snips here, and cut that off. And then we're going to glue this to the inside of our card. Where's our card base? Bring that in. Just going to pop this on right there. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and glue these two pieces together. And both sides of this paper is so pretty. This stack of Designer Series paper is very versatile. I mean, you have all the colors for springtime, but you can use it for whenever. And the designs are so generic that it can be for all occasions. I love it. Soft Succulent and Fresh Freesia are two of our end colors that will be leaving us soon. So let's get this and do some stamping on here. We're going to stamp in, let's do Soft Succulent for the stamping for the outside. And for the outside sentiment, we're going to stamp Sending Happy Thoughts. I just stamp that right there. And I'm going to cut that out using the double oval punch. So we're just going to put this in, line that up, punch that out. Then we're going to punch our scalloped oval and the Soft Succulent there. We're going to layer these two together. Okay, just like that. Oh, it can be a little better centered. I think I'll put it on the wrong side, okay. But that's going to be for the front of our card. Now we have one more image to stamp, and that is our main image. So let's go ahead and get our big piece of basic white. We're going to stamp the big floral image here, and we're going to do that in Tuxedo Memento Black again. So let's make sure we get this inked up really good. This is on, I think this is the E block, one of the larger blocks. If it gets any larger than this, I use the Stamp-A-Ratus. Okay, let's go ahead and stamp this down. I'm going to try to just get it on one side of the paper so we don't have to waste. We can use this rest of this white for scraps for other things. Ooh, that is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So now this stamp, like I said, is a two-step stamping. So we're going to go ahead and fill in with the other stamp. So we're going to get our Pale Papaya. And we're going to ink this up. Ink it up really good. And we're going to line it up and stamp our image. And instead of coloring, which I love to do, but since this stamp colors for you, voila, it's done. And then we're going to take the Fresh Freesia. What is the Fresh Freesia? That one is, where is it? Oh no. Where did I put the other stamp? Okay, found it. We're going to take our Fresh Freesia. We're going to color this part in. And I know that these are supposed to be green, but I wanted to add more color. So I'm doing it in Fresh Freesia. So my creative license. On yours, you can make it whatever color you want it to be. So I'm going to stamp that down. Oh, I love it. I love that it gives you the option. Not the option, but if you don't get it perfectly straight, it's okay because it's a watercolored look. So now we're going to go back to the Soft Succulent again and get our last one for the leaves and fill those in with some color. Stamp that down. Isn't that pretty? Okay. So they do have a stamp for the middle, the center of our flower, but I'm not going to take the time to get that stamp out. I'm just going to take our Stampin' Right marker in Fresh Freesia and color the inside in. And I'm also going to get the Soft Succulent marker, Stampin' Right marker, and just color the stem of our flower there, just like that. Okay? So now we're going to get our scissors and we're going to fussy cut this out, and I will speed through this. Well, I'll just skip this, and by the time you come back, I'll have it done. Okay, so here we have our image all cut out, and we're going to get some dimensionals and we're going to pop this up on some dimensionals. before we add it to our card. Just pop it up, pop it up, pop it up. Looks like I'm gonna need some minis. So let's get some minis here. Okay, and so we're gonna put this on just like that. And we might wanna pop up our sentiment. So I have some Pale Papaya open weave ribbon here. And I want to put some of this onto our card. But I just want to, I don't like the way that little end piece was bent. Okay, let's see. I just want to put a little bit behind our sentiment. So it's going to be like this. Yeah, that should be enough. Probably more than enough. So let me get some tear and tape because I like to hold this down with tear and tape. And we're just going to fold it up like this and put it here. Yes, I think that's what I will do. So hold that down. Get us some tear and tape. Oh, tear. Make sure it's not wider than our sentiment because we don't want it to show. We're going to put that right there. Just like that. We'll pop this up on dimensionals as well. Let's see, I think we only need 2 since we have that ribbon in there. I'll go ahead and put another one. You guys know I like my dimensionals. Let's put this right here. Sending happy thoughts. And let's take the backings off of this and add this to our card and we'll be almost done. Okay, so we have that all taken care of. And let's put this right here on our card, just like that. And you know what? I probably didn't even need to color that because I'm going to add some of our 2021 to 2023 in color opal rounds. And we are going to, let's just pop one of these big fresh freesias right in the middle of our flower there. Ooh, that is cute. Okay, let's see. Do we want to use other colors? Yes, let's use some soft succulent. We'll put one there. And since we have the Pale Papaya, I think I'll put another soft succulent. And I'll put it right here. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, you guys, that is our card done. Isn't it cute? I love it. The inside. Oh, we should color our bee. Let's get the Pale Papaya Stampin' Right marker. Just add a little. Oh, boy, I can't see. Add some stripes there with the Pale Papaya. And because it's a bee, we want to showcase his wings. Let's put some Winkostella. There we go. There we go. Add a little color in the inside with our little bee there. This is cute. Okay. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.